In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Analytics to WordPress. So incorporating Google Analytics to your WordPress website is easy and takes only a few steps. So first, go ahead and open WordPress on your browser. Make sure that you're on your website and you're signed in into your account. Then here, go ahead and head over to the plugin section. You'll find it at the left side of your screen. Click on plugins and that will redirect you into plugins marketplace. Now in here, you'll need to search for Google Analytics. Make sure that you search for Google Analytics. Now after that, go ahead and enter this. Now install and activate GA Google Analytics Connect Google Analytics to WordPress by Jeff Star. So this is the plugin that we're going to install into our WordPress website. Now, once you have installed this, go ahead and head over into the settings section and you'll be able to find Google Analytics from there. So once you find Google Analytics from there, you'll actually need to enter your Google Analytics measurement ID along with other information that comes along with that. So after that, you'll need to go ahead and head over into your Google Analytics and search for measurement ID, and from there you'll be able to find your measurement ID that you'll need to incorporate into your WordPress website. Now once you have successfully connected that, you'll be able to simply track your CTR on WordPress through Google Analytics. And that is how you can simply connect your Google Analytics to WordPress. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.